What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Gala Games token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we have two major key points. One of them is this range of resistances, and the next one is range of support that we already touched right here. And if we will break one of them, it will definitely show the next potential medium-term trend. And as you can see, we broke this range to the downside, retested from the bottom, and then with increase in volume went even lower. And this means we might see the trend continuation during this massive sell-off. So, what was the reason of this movement? Let me show you the total sentiment on crypto markets. For now, we are sitting at $1.88 trillion of total market cap. It is a 4.65% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, all major cryptocurrencies are deeply in red. Bitcoin lost about 5%, Ethereum lost about 6.5%. Binance lost about 8%. So we have this movement, sharp movement to the downside, and I have to say that we might see this trend for quite a while. Let's continue with the Gala numbers. For now it has $1.75 billion of total market cap. It lost about 9.94%. And the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $142.6 million. It is lower according to this data for about 62%. But let me show you this. Right here we have decent movement, sideways movement, and we have the volume that becomes lower and lower. But at this point we have sharp decrease in volume, and I think it is not the real number, it is some kind of technical issue, and that's why we cannot rely on these volume numbers, and that's why we cannot say that the volume is becoming lower, and this means we also cannot say that this movement to the downside is the short-term correction. Definitely it is not the case. Let me show you this article. We are on coindesk.com, and here is one of the reasons why we have the movement to the downside for entire market. The moves downward reflected ongoing pessimism about the economy and rising interest rates, and mirrored bearish sentiment about once high-flying tech stocks. After a late sell-off of stocks, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index dropped 1.1% in US trading hours. The S&P 500 fell similarly. Let me show you that we have bloodbath on traditional markets, and definitely it reflects on the crypto markets as well. And let me show you another news that for now might be another bearish catalyst. And right here on Reuters.com we have this article that was published just 4 hours ago, and it says Russia proposes ban on use and mining of cryptocurrencies. And I have to say that this news is extremely bearish for Bitcoin, because Russia for now is on the third place right after the United States and Kazakhstan with its Bitcoin mining capacities. And if we will see the ban from Russia government on the entire crypto market, this will drastically reduce the number of users and active users, I have to say, and it will drastically reduce the number of mining power. And this will lead to much lower prices. And let me quote you the bullets. Russian central bank proposes ban on cryptocurrency use. Regulator warns of risks to financial stability. Analysts say wider impact negligible for now. Ban on cryptocurrency exchanges also proposed. So, I think you can read this news by yourself, but definitely we can see the result of this activity. And this result is not so good. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, because of the breakout below this range, we cannot count on our major long-term targets that I marked previously. It is 90 cents, $1.55 and about $1 price points. Because of this movement to the downside, we have to eliminate this range, and I don't need it for now. And what should you do if you want to invest in this asset? Technically, we hit the range of about 0.786. It is a Fibonacci retracement level from the very bottom to the very top, and it is a 78% retracement. It is the price point of roughly 23.77 cents, and it is the next technical accumulation point for you as a potential investor in this asset. But keep in mind that for now we have a lot of bearish pressure on the entire crypto market, and that's why the movement to the downside might last for quite a while, and this means you have to be cautious. So definitely on the long term I'm bullish on this asset, because the metaverse is the concept of the future in my opinion, and all of the assets that are related to this concept might skyrocket in the next major good news. But when we will see this news, nobody knows. And that's why, if you want to invest, just do your own due diligence and invest by laddering your buys down. Our first accumulation point was right here at the golden pocket. Statistically, it is the range that has the highest probability of trend reversal. But we broke it to the downside, found support, temporary support right here at the top of our previous resistance. And we have very good bounce to the upside from this range, but eventually had a rollover. And for now, we have this range of support at 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level as a potential range of a bounce. And we have to be cautious, but with the ladder in our buys down, we are pretty much on the safer territory if we are considered to hold this asset for a long period of time, and if we are tolerant enough. Otherwise, just stay aside from any trades from the market right now, because it is extremely risky to enter any positions if you are not a skilled trader. And this means just be patient, and in trading, patience is the key to the profitability. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!